Today I'll be replacing the back glass of this Galaxy Note 8. It's a simple repair, but it takes some steps to get it right. This ring is a problem that alcohol can solve. This softens and keeps the adhesive together, so it should be reusable. I haven't seen this brand before, but it's quite sturdy. Before taking the back off, I need to get this charge port cleaned out. Under the microscope, you can see some compacted pocket lint. This is super common. A charge port gets a small amount of debris inside, you plug in a charger, it packs it deeper, then the process repeats. If your charger feels loose, there's a good chance you've got pocket lint. I'll use a heat gun to soften the adhesive holding the back on, then run a super thin pry tool around the edges. This one feels like it's been opened before, the adhesive isn't as strong. After removing the glass, I'll push the fingerprint reader through while it's still hot and the adhesive soft. This makes it easier to reconnect later. This adhesive is pretty worn down, it's clumping and yellowing. Let's get that scraped and clean. It's a really nice sound. It looks like the Bixby button is missing, and given my experience using Bixby, I don't blame them either. I'll use some 3M tape primer to get this frame ready for the new back glass. This repair can seem a little pricey for just a panel of glass and some lenses, but most of the cost comes from the part being an OEM Samsung part. It's a quality part with the original adhesive pre-installed. At this point, I'll reconnect the fingerprint sensor. The new glass will lay over the top of it. This is a lot easier than trying to plug in a very short ribbon while balancing the front and back of the phone. There are a lot of plastic protectors that need to be removed from the glass. With the back glass pressed down to the frame and the final plastic protector peeled away, this phone is repaired and ready to go. Thanks a ton for joining me. I'll see you next time.